Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Friday Night Gab. And y'all, I did want to go live tonight, but I am just not feeling the best. So I'm just, because of my arm situation, I'm just exhausted each day. So I think I'm going to take a break and just do the recorded video this evening. Maybe I'll feel up to it next Friday. We'll see. We will see. And hopefully I'll get to do a live this month. But I just don't feel like I'd be, up for it, so to speak, because I just am tired. So anyway, I wanted to tell you that. How is your weather? I have been through very lightly, been through the hurricane. Francine. It comes up from the Gulf of New Mexico, and it hit Louisiana and Mobile. Really, really hard. I mean, it was a category 2. They've been hit by worse, but they got tons and tons of rain. And of course, there's all kinds of damage and flooding. And then as it swirls around, which I don't know, it swirls around backwards. Do they all do that? See, my brain is not working right. I know these things because I've always been very interested in weather. Anyway, it's swirling this way. And if you're on the east side of that, which I am, then you can get tornadoes and rain and flooding. And we have had a lot of rain. We have very strong, we've had wind. The way that it came up, it didn't come straight up like sometimes it does. It went wide. It went into Georgia and Florida. So it went into Mississippi. So it did come into Alabama, but and the southern Alabama got a lot of rain. But where I am, we've got a lot of rain, and we've got a lot of wind. But we cannot complain because there's been no tornadoes here, and we've had high wind gusts. I went out to get the mail at work today, and it pushed me back to the door. So I was like, woo, but nothing to complain about. I have some branches down in the yard, but anytime we have a thunderstorm, that happens. So I'm not, there's no need to complain about it. I'm praying for those that are affected by it. I know several people that are, and they don't have power. Now, when I came home, my power had been out on Thursday, but it was only out for a moment, and I can tell that because a couple things flash, so but my power's on, so I'm very grateful. So the wind advisory was for a 24-hour period, and that's it. We need rain, so we can get rain. That'll be fine. So I hope your weather is good where you are, and I hope that you're safe and that you have power. So my shoulder I'm getting better. It is just slow. I can do more than I have been able to do, like a week ago, and each day a little bit more. It is like right here is the issue here, and there. Thank you, Blue. Can't show anybody. He's so needy. I love him. Anyway, so Camille has a new thing where she gets up on top of the refrigerator, and then from there she jumps. There she is right now. Then she jumps up onto the kitchen cabinets. And I can't coax her down. She loves it up there. She wants to live up there. I'm like, it's probably really dusty up there. That's all I can say. So I haven't heard her sneezing, so maybe she's okay. Y'all, tomorrow morning, I'm put up my Boxycharm. I got that. I got everything at once. That's what happened. My mail, I didn't get any mail. And I was getting all these notices that things were coming, and then they were not coming. And then I didn't get anything, and then they all landed at my house like at the same minute. So Boxycharm is going up tomorrow morning, and I had to do the advent calendar. If you haven't seen the Cult Beauty advent calendar that I did on Thursday, please look for that. It's long, but if you like makeup, and if you like especially skincare, and you just like to see what's in an advent calendar, it's worth the watch, I do believe. I hope. I mean, it's me, so there's not a lot, there's not a lot of editing. There's a little editing because at one point I stop and then I add another piece to it. So, but I don't, just, pick up an item and show you and then put it back down and, snap, chop. I can't do all that. So I will tell you what I'm wearing. This is Huda, the Topaz Obsessions. I love all the Obsessions palettes that I have. I don't have all of them, I don't think, but I have a good bit of them. So I love that one. And on my lips, who knows where it's at, because, okay, blue's not sitting on it. This is Complex Culture, and this was made in Italy, and this is beautiful. I love how this works. It's magnetic. And this is called Pout Clout Lipstick in Legend. And a lot of people got this at one time out of Ipsy? Was it Ipsy? Or Boxycharm? Ipsy, because I think Complex Culture is an Ipsy item, product line. They did stop making it. So, but anything I got from Complex Culture, I really enjoyed using, and I still have things from them. So, as far as I do have a little information, excuse me, about Cult Beauty, because some of you said you never heard of Cult Beauty. Okay, there's Liberty London. Liberty London is, they have all kinds of things for sale. Clothing, makeup, all kinds of things. Space NK is a makeup and skincare. And they have stores, and Cult Beauty is an online only. So how this came about with Cult Beauty is that it's two girlfriends, good friends. They are the founders. They would waste lots and lots of money on skincare. And they decided to hunt down only the best for their online store, because they would, you buy something expensive and then you get halfway through it, you're like, I don't like this. So they went through their cabinets and found like up to $1,000 worth of stuff that they weren't using. So they were upset about it. So they started their own website, and they sell only things that they have tested and that they love. And that's all the really bougie product lines. So it says what they have are firm fixtures of makeup artist kits that you'll find these formulas jealously guarded backstage at fashion weeks and photo shoots, and also in the bathrooms of the AAA list people who choose these products for love, not money. These do what they say they will do. The only thing that they will not do is disappoint. So it may be more expensive, but you're going to use all the product is what they're saying. They have tested it, and it's good stuff. So it says, we are a dedicated team of beauty devotees on the hunt for the coolest cult products the world has to offer, from the latest scientific discoveries to 100-year-old remedies that have never been bettered. Cult Beauty is a destination for those looking for the next big thing, whether it's a problem-solving treatment or a yet unheard of oil. We pride ourselves on our transparency. We list full ingredients and publish all reviews, and only sell the products that blow us away. So those three are the highest price range of what I can buy in an advent calendar. There are advent calendars that are way more expensive than that, and I can't afford those. So these three I can't afford either. But like I said in the video, I save my Rakuten money. If you sign up under me, you get $30, I get $30. They do promotions where you can get $40 and I can get $40, and you save money. And Walmart, I might get $2 back at Walmart, but that adds up over the year. And so I keep all that money separately, and I use that toward getting an advent calendar for myself, because I've been spoiled with the beauty boxes, and I like bougie products. So I want to get a really good box. And last year I got Space NK, and I adored it. I loved it. It was so much fun to open, and I opened it just every day in December. And some of y'all asked me to please open it. Why didn't I open it all at once? And I would never want to do that, because I want to be surprised each day. But for me to pick this calendar that last year and this year, I really looked into all three of those. And of course I was going to get the Space NK, but when I saw what was in there, it's fabulous. But I saw the Liberty London one, it's fabulous. And then I saw the Cult Beauty, and it's fabulous. So out of the three fabulous advent calendars that I really love, the Cult Beauty was right for me. And there's still things that I can't use in there. I think the very first day there's a product that's for if you have acne and stuff. So you know, that's the way it's going to be. But there's 40 items in there. There's 19 full-size products. And it costs $308. And it's free shipping from England. So it's a fabulous calendar. And then they give you a $20 gift card to use in the future on their website, which it comes out to $27.60 in US money. And then you get 15% off your order, all this other stuff. Not the calendar though. So that is what I got, and I hope you will go and see it. I'm really excited about it. Well, unless you are like I have always been, is you want to wait till December, and that's fine too. I'm going to open it up each day in December, and we're going to play the game that I've been playing the last few years in December, where you will hopefully watch my videos and see what I'm offering, and then you all hand in your list to me of products, and if you have everything on your list, then you can be entered in for the giveaway. So we'll talk more about it as, when in December, we'll talk more about it. Can I get on here? Blue? Okay. I think that's about it, y'all. I do have, of course, my treasure trove is always going on. And I have a Mass Monday collab that's going on this week. That is with Tea Time Adventures, Life with Christine, and Erlene S. And any channels that I mention, I list below in the description so you can find them. And those and this weekend. So if you want to see that, we are doing giveaways. We're each doing a sheet mask giveaway. And if you'd like to get in on that, don't miss out, because we'll be picking our winners this weekend and making our videos for Monday, announcing our winners. But I think all four, I'm not sure. I know Erlene always does Mass Monday, and so do I. Tea Time Adventures and Christine, Life with Christine, they don't always do a Mass Monday, so I'm not sure when they'll announce their winner, but they'll announce their winner pretty soon, and they may do a Mass Monday to announce it in. So just so you know, okay. And then I'm also in the Dollar Tree Train, which is Fall Festival. And that started last Sunday, and that runs for 2 weeks, and there's 14 channels. So hopefully you will be interested in that. If you'd like to win a giveaway, there are 14 giveaways. And I will put all of the channels below. I'm going to tell you who's in it. So Jackie, Miss Jackie Russell is the head of that collab. She's a conductor of the train. And she invites all of us to this collaboration. And then Reviews with Sue, Favorites with Laura, Nona's Here, which is Teddy, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, Katie's Corner of the World, All Things Arlene, Lori's Life, Faye Blatcher, Life with Christine, Hauling It with Mima, which is Tammy, Blessed GMP, which is Pat, and Tracy and Chloe Unboxing Beauty and More. And Tracy does our ads and our thumbnails, and then me. So that's the 14 channels. And like I said, you'll have to watch each video. You have to comment on all 14 videos, and you have to be publicly subscribed. So since you have to comment on all 14 videos, I mean, if you don't have time and you just want to go in and say, hey, Mary, then, you've commented if you've entered somebody else's giveaway or whatever. But if you have the time, you might as well enter all 14 giveaways. So you have to watch the videos to see what they want, what everybody wants you to do or say to be entered into the giveaway. So, pardon me. Sinus issues always. And we have had such high pollen here, even with the rain. They just keep saying high pollen. So, and then the winds, it brings all kinds of stuff. So anyway, y'all, thanks for stopping by and visiting me here on Friday Night Gab. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And I have a birthday party to go to tomorrow. I'm excited about it. It's a 1-year-old. It's a good friend's baby boy is turning 1. And he's just the cutest thing. He's got red hair, and it's getting long, so his grandma puts his hair up in a ponytail. He's so cute. So anyway, I'm excited about that, and but I also need to rest. Excuse me. So I hopefully plan on resting a lot. So y'all take care. Count your blessings. Be safe wherever you are, and just take care of each other. Okay. Love y'all. Bye bye.